Hi, Notioners. Hope you're good today. So we are here to answer to a question. But first, I will tell you a little story. When we were studying the opportunity of launching analytics for Notions, um, by discussing with some Notioners, some Notion consultants, especially some Notion consultants, in fact, um, some of them tell me that they really need to have a view, kind of tree map of the notions of their clients when they start a mission. So we guess that we could have a killing features with analytics for notions. Why? Because Alexi decided to create that features to set up your analytics for notions workspace with your notions workspace to be able to track the pages that you wanted to track into your notions workspace. So I decided to ask to Notioners, a community, that if it's could be a killing features to having a tree map of your Notions workspace. And guess what? This is the result that we get. 43 votes and 77% of people that say yes, it will be so helpful to have one. 1 comments from Zenakir will be an awesome addition. So it's what you will have just after sign up, okay? Step 1, synchronize in Notion's workspace. Synchronize with Notion. Just be sure that you're with the good Notion plans. Select pages. I select them all, and I guess you to select all. Okay, just select all. It's easy for you after. It will spare you some issues if you create new pages and new things. And then you allow the access. You select a page. I just check how and save the change. And here we are. You got your tree map of your notions. What have you? Feel free to comment, ask any questions. We will answer. Goodbye. Have a good day.